Here at Gregory FCA, we know how uncertain these times are for everyone, and that most of us will likely be working remotely for the near future, like I'm doing right now. Well, we're here to help. Our remote studio is available for you to use from home to communicate with your employees, your clients, or your prospects. We've invested heavily over the last 2 years to create an in-house studio, and it's available to you. Already, clients are working with us to create videos, to update employees on changing work statuses, to calm their concerns and motivate them in these tough times. On our financial services side, we're producing market updates for advisors who want to speak personally to worried investors. On the business development front, we're working with teams to create short sales videos so people can stay in touch with the prospects in their pipeline. On social media, we're creating graphics and videos. This is a great way to keep your business name on the top of mind for customers and future clients. You can even have a trained broadcast expert interview your subject matter expert on breaking news or any other critical topic. Or hey, if you have more ideas, we would love to hear them. Reach out to us here at Gregory FCA. We want to help.